Hello. So I've been wanting to do a talkie for a while, and um, still, this might be a little bit weird because I've never done this before. I guess I'll talk a little bit about myself. Well, I'm 21 years old, and oh, sorry about that. I really like birds. They're my favorite animal. I have a bird. He's about 24, so he's pretty old. What makes me sneeze? Not a lot, really. Like, I'm not allergic to anything that I know of, and my nose is really not all that sensitive. It takes a lot for me to sneeze, actually. Started to think I might have a slight sensitivity to pollen just due to my experiment yesterday. I actually hadn't taken my allergy meds this morning. I take those just because they get rid of nausea, not for actual allergies, but maybe that's why, maybe, so maybe I do have a slight allergy to pollen or something, I'm not sure. It didn't really bother me until I could breathe it in for minutes on end. I'm gonna sneeze. Maybe not. False alarm. It was interesting. Oh my jeez. That was kind of intense. What was I saying before? Sorry, these are hard to talk. Oh, it's hard to talk through that, man. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, it's kind of hard to announce them. I guess I'm not sure what else to talk about. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, jeez. Wow, this is intense. I'm using a Q-tip this time, and it seems to be more intense than when I use a clothes tag for some reason. Okay, false. I guess. Oh, no. Oh, Jesus Christ, I need another tissue. Oh, man. Oh, Jesus. No, not yet. hope you guys like this at least. I don't really have that much to talk about. My gosh. They just kind of come out, you know? Not much I can do about that. You know, I kind of sneeze naturally only about like once or twice per month. I'm just not a sneezy person, really. I say as I'm recording this video. Good to see you. And that wore to the other tissue again. Wonderful. You know, when I was a kid and I discovered YouTube, ever since I was a young age, I had the sort of thing for sneezing, I guess, and like, I wrote some really cringy stories when I was little. So when I got YouTube, actually, I looked up sneezing, and I discovered sneezing videos. Oh, geez, that was a weird false start. I have no idea what the heck that was. But yeah, it wasn't until later that I realized what this thing that I felt then was. Kinda interesting, huh? I wonder where it comes from. Oh jeez, my nose itches so bad. I think that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching.